Coach, bakit may pera na ako pero di pa rin ako masaya? What I've learned from my clients, gusto nating yumaman pero hindi natin alam anong itsura ng rich life na gusto natin. Imaginin mo, mayaman ka na and operating several businesses. What does your usual day looks like? How would you spend your weekends? Mahalaga alam mo yung gusto mong buhay para align dyan yung businesses na sisimulan mo at yung ibang decisions na gagawin mo. Like, nandito ka ba sa Pilipinas or mag-a-abroad ka? Isip kasi natin, basta marami na tayong pera, matik masaya na tayo. You need to know what kind of lifestyle will your rich life bring you. Gusto mo bang laging nasa business travels ka? Or nasa farm ka sa province? Gusto mo bang laging nasa meeting ka sa office? Or do you want to operate your businesses from home? My point is, you need to be specific para di-conflicted yung mga desisyon na gagawin mo. And everything will point you to the lifestyle that you desire, which will make you happy. Tandaan mo to, napakasakit tong sitwasyon na na-reach mo yung goals mo. Pero in the end, you realize hindi pala ganon yung lifestyle na gusto mo. Change your mindset, change your life.